Hello, what's up YouTube? Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to change air filter in a Nissan Rogue. This is a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I thought I'll take care of my air filter replacement. It's been a couple of years since I looked at the air filter, so just open the hood and then look at this air filter box. The air filter is held in a box with two clips. So there's one on the right side, and that's the tube that supplies air to the air filter box. And there's one clip on the left side. Let me focus here a little bit. There it is. That's the clip that holds the cover for the air filter box. So you can easily open this with your just finger. You don't need any tools for this. And then just shake the tube that's held in place with those clips here too. There's one on the left and right. And remove that piece of plastic and put it aside. Now you can see the air filter inside the box. You can open the cover. And take the filter outside. And I got the new filter, and we need to check the orientation of this filter. So we should put it in the same direction or alignment that was there before. So just insert the filter into the box and push it inside and make sure it is snug, and it should fit perfectly in the box. Make sure there are no gaps on any corner. And then close the filter, the box cover. Just push those the two metal clips on the left and right. And then place the tube that supplies air to the box. We just have to replace the tube that we opened to access the box. Attach it to the box. And make sure the clips are secured. Just feel the tube. Make sure it's not moving. And this is the old filter that I took out. You can see how dirty it is. I can see some dirt and some leaves. So this is why we need to replace the filter at least once a year, because the engine needs clean air to work efficiently. I placed the links for the filters for Nissan Rogue in the description below. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching this video.